In this video, we're going to learn how to create tables using HTML. Tables we can create using HTML are similar to the ones we can create using Microsoft Word, for example. So the syntax is pretty easy. To create a table, we're going to use the table tags. Okay, and then inside the tags, we're going to have the content of our table. So first, we're going to create a row or table row. So to do that, we're going to use the tr tags for table row. And then inside the tags, we're going to have the content of our row. Usually the first row is for table headings. So we're going to create a few headings for our table. So this table is going to be for famous IT people, and we're just going to have their names, corresponding company, and date of birth. Okay, so the first column is going to be the name. So we're going to create a table heading, and we're going to use the th tag for table heading. It's going to be name. And then the second one is going to be another heading, company. Okay, and then another heading for the date of birth. Okay, now we're going to create another row, and we're going to be using the tr tags again. But this time we're not going to have headings. We are going to have table data. So each cell is going to be referred to using table data. So we're going to use the td row for table data. Okay. So let's start with Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook. And so that's his name. Now we're going to need his company. So another table data, okay, for the company, which is Facebook, and another table data for the date of birth, which is 1984. Okay, so let's create another table row, and this time we're going to go for Bill Gates. Sorry, we need a table data for the name. Okay, so Bill Gates. So the company is Microsoft, so another table data. And finally the date of birth, another table data, 1955. Okay, and one last row. So we're going to have Steve Jobs. So the company is Apple, and his date of birth is also 1955. All right, so that's the syntax of tables. We'll see later on in the CSS chapter how to decorate the table and add borders and so on.